Welcome to today's tutorial. We'll learn how to concatenate two strings in JavaScript, ensuring the lengths match by trimming the longest string. Let's dive in. When two strings are of different lengths, we trim the longest string to match the shorter one, then concatenate them. For instance, Python and JS become ONJS. This function calculates the minimum length of the two strings using math.min, trims both strings to that length using substring, and concatenates them. Let's explore the process step by step. We start by determining the shortest length, trim both strings accordingly, and concatenate the results. This ensures the strings align perfectly before merging. In this example, the string Python is trimmed to O on to match the length of JS, resulting in the concatenated output of ONJS. For the strings AB and CDEF, the shortest string AB is unchanged, while CDEF is trimmed to EF. The concatenated result is ABEF. Here's the ES6 version with error notation. It's concise and equally effective, leveraging the same logic for trimming and concatenating these strings. The function handles various scenarios, including strings of equal length, single character strings, and cases where one string is empty. The logic is robust and easy to adapt. In summary, this function simplifies string concatenation when lengths differ. The use of math.min and substring ensures accuracy and adaptability. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was insightful. Please like, share and subscribe to stay updated for more JavaScript lessons. See you in the next one.